In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Dropbox referral link quickly and get free Dropbox space. First, make sure you're signed in to your Dropbox account in your web browser. It's easiest to do this on a laptop or desktop computer so you can clearly see all the menu options. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon or your initials in a small circle. Click on that to open the account menu. In this menu, you're looking for an option related to settings or account settings. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different parts of your Dropbox account, like your plan, security, and connected devices. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. One of those tabs will be labeled something like Plan or Referrals, depending on the current Dropbox layout. Click on the tab that mentions your plan or invites. This is where Dropbox usually places information about your storage and any referral options. On this page, you should see a section that explains how referrals work. Dropbox typically gives you extra free space when you invite friends, family, or colleagues to create a Dropbox account using your referral link, and they actually sign up and install the app. Look for the part of the page that shows your unique referral link. It might be next to a button that says something like Copy Link or Invite Friends. Once you've found that, click the button to copy your referral link to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into an email, a message, or a social media post. A helpful tip is to share it with people who are actually likely to use Dropbox, such as teammates or classmates, so your referrals are more likely to be completed and you get that bonus space. Some versions of Dropbox also let you send invitations directly from this page by entering email addresses. If you see that option and prefer it, you can use it instead of copying the link manually. The key point is that everyone signs up through your unique link so that Dropbox can track and credit your account. That's all you need to do. By quickly navigating to your account settings and finding your referral section, you can share your custom link and start earning extra free storage on Dropbox without spending anything.